Hi guys, Melvyn Williams here from Pest Control. Just on the way to do a mouse job. It's a customer I've had before. It's really good. I have a digital system which stores all my data and all my customer information. So, and any customer I do, if I'm going on a job, I will have an app that has all the data inputted in on site. I can take pictures with it. Any problems, I can email it straight to a landlord in this case with their tenant, and that goes directly to them. I can take photos, I can take credit card payments, which I've done in this case already before going to the job, and that's all in the app system. I recommend getting an app for when you're doing your pest control. Any other trade come to that. It saves a lot of time. So all the information stored from last time, that's really good. So I'm doing this job now. In between, I've been working, as I say, as a small business owner. I've been working on my Facebook, Instagram. What I've been doing on my Instagram of late is going into areas locally where my business operates from, and then looking at other top Instagram places and hashtags of areas there, and then going into people and commenting. It can be quite boring stuff or laborious, but it's got to be done. So I'm trying to keep up on that every day, and that's commenting on areas and choosing appropriate hashtag people around or businesses, and just making a few comments, something that makes sense. So I got quite a bit of this information of someone I follow on Instagram and various other things I found originally on YouTube. It is a gentleman in America called Gary V. I think he's very good. He gives valuable information, and I just want to share that as well. So I'll catch up with you later, guys. This is Melvyn Williams of Pest Control, pest controller on his daily business journey as a small business owner as well. So good luck, guys, out there in whatever trade you're doing. Catch you later. Bye.